you need to use something more like what comes here. Using Excel, create visualizations of pieces or subsets of the COVID-19. And so this is the part where you're gonna have to decide, how do I, what pieces? So there is a lot of entries here. So this is what we're gonna do over the next, say, 10, 15 minutes. You decide on which, okay, so you guys are seeing my screen here, right? This is I have this in Excel. And there are 3 columns. The first column has the date, the second one has the confirmed cases, and the last one has the number of casualties. So I'm going to the bottom, there is a plus sign there. I click that, it creates a new sheet, and I need to have only 2 columns, okay? So here, I'm pretty sure I can do something like, if I just go with date and cases, I can select a chunk there, and I select and then copy. I'm using my keyboard for copying. In my case, it's Command C, but in PCs is Control C, I think. So I copy, and then I come here and I do Control V or Command V, and then I paste those 2 columns. That's because I chose date and cases. I could open another sheet and collect dates and casualties. Let's say I'm going to choose another range here. This is maybe it's a little trickier, where I copy the date and then I go and copy the corresponding number of deaths, and then, you know, I just need 2 columns. Once I have 2 columns, I select them. Okay, I select them, and then I go to Insert, and I choose Scatter. So once I have 2 columns, the first thing is, from this data set, I need to come up with my own 2 columns. So once I have 2 columns, I go to Insert, Scatter, and here I'm gonna choose this thing that has the dots. And in this case, it works. It doesn't matter that the first column is dates, it's understanding that that's on the horizontal axis. This is one of the things you have to do in your project.